Hello there, welcome to Next Level Properties. Today I introduce to you our design and build services. Now, a lot of you have already bought properties from us, but we know that the ultimate goal of buying a property is not just to keep, it is to finally build your dream home. And now we introduce to you our design and build services. In the last few years, we have designed and we have built to completion many dream homes for our clients. And today I want to just introduce one of the clients we have recently designed and built for. And this is still ongoing. So what you see here is what we can do. And the whole of this project, we are the ones who sold, and this client decided to come back to us for us to design a home for them and finally put it up as per design. So as you can see, this is a maisonette, a very beautiful maisonette that is coming up here. We have worked with this client from getting him the plot to designing the dream house that they wanted, and you can see now we are at roofing stage. We not only just design, but we also help you to get approvals in the council or in the authorities that are in your jurisdiction. In this case, this was Mafoko or Machakos County. And as you can see, in a few months, this house will be done and complete. And that is where we say, Next Level Properties, we link you to your destiny. Ours is not just to sell the plot to you, but we are there to support you through the journey of owning your dream home. So link up with us, touch base with us, call us on the numbers that are in our social media, and let us discuss and agree the type of dream home that you want. Karibuni sana.